my stuff already mixed in, so that's good. Yeah, I'm looking great. Kind of nervous, guys, because mommy they're behind me. Yeah, so pretty much it's just like cornmeal, flour, you know, baking spices like cinnamon and those type of stuff, sugar. Yeah, pretty simple, pretty basic. Guys, I'm now go walking through it step by step, you know, but I cut coconut. I'm starting to blow. We cut coconut for the first time, take it out of the hooks, everything. Now this is the coconut milk, so that squeeze it. I laugh after me. So now we have the liquids poured in. So we're good. You want to help me? You want to mix? No? Nick, I want to see you.
Again, pour.
You're tired?
Again, pour.
Keep mixing. Alright guys, we're pretty much done with it. But it's not done, it's going to be baked. And if it don't come out good, destiny.
It smells really nice.
Is the one who causes.
This one smells really nice?
No. Your mommy cooking.
Yes, it's mommy.
Look at those babies in there. Looking up.
Oops! I joke.
I was done anyway. Thanks.
Can I understand Stephen forward?
Look at all this hard work, guys. Jeez. And Judah holding up everything now with her Snapchat. So.
Big up to Mama though, every time.
Go to the restroom to clean it up. You guys came from where?
Alright, so guys, it's pretty much done. I'm just gonna throw the custard on top real quick. Can you record for me?
Sure.
I just really hope it's enough. You know, I don't think it's enough.
What do you mean? Babe, don't think this out, it's fine. Shouldn't you like spread the butter or no? You can put some more on that one.
Just to level it out. Put it to the level.
If there's more dog food sugar, I would take that too.
Yeah. So guys, right now, you get yourself a woman like Judah's mom. You know, because she can cook.
Oh, sorry.
No, it's fine.
This is for your puppies. They
Okay.
drink it.
No, man, don't drink it, man.
Judah pick them up and she don't drink them. And she have it till it expires because nobody drink this thing.
You don't drink glass cup?
I don't drink glass.
That's why she's not a food drink of champions.
What's a
But
bowl?
anyway, I drink glass cup every day. Not every day, at least once a week.
Yeah, I drown these, I don't like it.
In my shakes, though. But not by, well, yeah.
That don't count then.
No, I drink it by myself when I'm like really hungry or something. Look how me have vlog on my top. Anyway, get yourself a woman like Judah's mom.
Big up to my mother.
But Judah can't cook and Judah can she's a breakfast person.
No.
Is every time she posts and shows, she shows photos.
The time he came here, the last Sunday he came here and he got
her mom cooked.
you know, he's so biased. The last time he came here and we had curry chicken, I believe, with quiche and whatever. He didn't even snap that shit. Like,
Because it was so good there. I couldn't.
because he was talking to my dad anyways.
Yeah.
Yeah, so whatever. But when I do cook, he doesn't show it. Just when my mother cook, because I'm not very off. Like
For a long time now before we all did.
What's
it's not
that?
ready yet.
What's that?
Not ready, hold on.
So why are you keeping it?
It's not ready yet, but it's gonna be there in like a few more minutes.
What's that?
You want the top to be like thicker. She's a baby chef. She helped me to make them today.
It's pudding. It'll be done soon, but hold on. It's
So guys, Judah said, you know, we'll check on the thing a while ago and I said, Judah, I think it might need just 10 minutes, and she's like, you need 20. So anyway, we're at a wager right now. It's now 10 minutes in, so we're gonna check. So she's like, if it's right, what am I getting?
can you not let me sound like that?
Sorry, she says, if it's right, what am I getting? So I said, I don't know, to choose anything, and she's like, I'll give her a hint of what your gift is. So babes, go check.
Hey man.
No, pull it out, baby.
Wait, let me get the. Do you want me to burn my hands?
What?
This is not ready.
Babe, we don't even try yet. We're gonna try it. God damn.
No more.
Guys, she just might be.
You can see it shaking.
It's supposed to shake. It is a
But
custard.
what you whispering a while ago? What you whispering? we don't even have to test
Babe,
it. You need to be
no,
fair.
No, seriously, it's
okay,
a custard.
Test
It's a custard.
Test it. You ready, Steven? Now give me my hint. Give me my hint.
Okay. 10 more minutes there. Okay, so the hint is, well, it's something that you can drink, but I don't know if you drink it. That's your hint.
Bye.
But seriously, guys, it's a hint, and we're gonna see why in the next vlog. The next vlog is where we're gonna be like the whole thingamajig. We talked about this. Guys, read this as in, like normally my girlfriend always has like these captions, like, you know.
Badass captions.
So when I read them, I'm like, these don't even sound original or not.
No, hunty. Draw breaks and take a full stop. They're all original. All. Like I think about something in the moment, or I'll be listening to a song.
Oh, exactly. That's not original.
Or, no, hold on. Or be listening to a song.
My kitty
and
guitar is
put
gold.
my twist to it. No, that picture did. I forget that caption there. But yeah.
But anyway, guys, so like she was posting just now, and like I was watching her type something, so I was like, oh my god, my girl is crazy. But then she stopped, and then she goes, let me go into my files. So she have a file of captions.
Deadass, guys. Deadass.
I give her some, babe. I give her some.
My phone being ass is jumping, and I'm trying to post this picture.
Don't you pay any attention to
Look
what
at
those
her,
people on
guys.
TV say about your dad. A lot of it is just lies.
Let me hear her on my phone.
God damn.
Hey,
You know, the champion Jackie, my guys.
Pass the mitten, please, baby.
Huh? This? Yeah.
You're such a small little cute klutz like me. Thank you.
Both of them are wet. Wow.
You need a little bit more, it's fine.
It looks fine to me. It's supposed to be like a custard. God damn.
Toothpick check.
Yeah, go for 2 big babes.
Please?
Please. Guys, I just got my ass.
What's that, please?
But I like it.
Test like Steven. This is how Steven test.
Because it's supposed to be kind of wet at the top.
I know.
The custard.
I think it's fine.
2.
Looks good.
I don't know how pudding should be, but you should
This is the
know.
top part. Just.
I told
As I
you.
go deep, like after the. Yeah.
Yes, it's fine.
Okay, it's done. Take it out now, guys. Please.
You don't want it to like
No, I'm
set?
cool. Have it cool.
Okay.
Yeah,
You don't want it to set on it to Steven?
No, babes, it's too much so cool.
I'm eating.
Look at this. Hold on, I can't read.
Yeah, it's supposed to be like that. Hold on.
You don't want to give it a little more?
Yeah, hold on. Where your toothpick is?
Right there.
Like this part's not really done. Can I give it a little bit more? Another 10 minutes.
15 Steven.
No,
10 minutes is long.
10 minutes is not long.
So pretty much the pudding is done. Both of them are done. But we're making one just rest in the oven. And this one, Judah's using a technique of putting water in the tray so it cool a little bit faster. Just kind of interesting. So yeah. Make sure it's in the middle, babes.
What?
So make sure it's in the middle. No, do it, babes. I'm just saying. I know some man not gonna even like the dark pudding.
Destiny will.
Please, I'd make it cook good. At least I can say. No, man.
But you want a sample slice or you want a slice?
Do that. Just do what you're doing.
Huh?
Yeah, do give me a sample size because there's 2.
I don't even put on pudding, so me. Let me make a sampling first the other day. The rest can go to the pups.
Oh my, I feel so hurt.
A joke, you got this, babe. But you must have some people first. No more father.
Dear God.
Get him a cake fork.
Sanctify this. Guys, whenever I watch Rising Stars it, and then after the backstage, and then I wait for the scores them. That's how I feel. Oh, the scores them.
I'm waiting on them scores, daddy. I've seen eye openers. I've seen some eye openers and some shaking of head.
I haven't made it in a while though, so I don't know if it tastes good. It's good?
I can bring the next slice, that's what I heard.
Oh yeah, look at that. Look at the top, babe. The top is just so wet. Let me try it on myself. What's up, baby?
It's pretty good, guys.
Yeah,
I don't like pudding, so yeah.
Good for it. So guys, I'm doing a second upload in like 40 minutes.
Yeah.
And Judah's typing my descriptions. She's typing a description for this vlog. How you feel, babe? Being a YouTuber?
Bye.
You don't get any closer than I do.
God damn, I look so black. Like a burnt. That's better.
You're on.
You look like a burnt pizza.
Really? No, worse than that.
Look at it before I save it.
Hold on. So like, we were just looking at a video that I did, my very first YouTube video, which was like in 2015.
With Imani, big up yourself, Imani.
With Imani. Yeah, so it was the whole concept was like, you know, talking about. I'm gonna drop the link in it so you guys can see, or if I don't remember, I'm just gonna do a video so you can see it.
No, we'll drop the link to it when we do the video on the other channel. That would make more sense.
Okay. Yeah, so we're working on that. We're gonna be working on that concept because I think it gives us like as a couple like the opportunity to like, you know, argue out or discuss certain things that from sometimes from like a male to female perspective, or just, you know.
What the hell are you waiting for?
You know what would be cool if we actually like feature Donald or W with it too, so it doesn't look like a biased thing, and then have like time anybody as well, like a group discussion type of thing.
Alright, we're hot. Let's go.
But yeah, guys, that's pretty much what we're gonna be doing on the other channel because we want to get more content to you, you know, like do some relevant stuff. You know what I'm saying?
We actually have a lot of ideas most of the time.
We have ideas. No, well, I wouldn't say no time because we can make the time, but you know,
when we get the time, we're like really not in the mood to.
Yeah, plus like we want more feedback from y'all, you know, from the next channel. Cause like with Soai vlogs, like for me, it's easy to like push myself to do videos because like you guys comment and like make it feel like worthwhile. So for me, it's just like, yo, I just always want to make those videos, like, or try to, even when I'm not feeling the mood. But like, I guess over time we're gonna get more support with the couples one.
Yeah, my friend phoned me the channel the other day and he was like, why don't tell me you guys what channel, you know? And I was like, I was waiting for us to get more content first and then start pushing, but
Exactly.
stop!
I guess I'm the cute one. Babe, I need the hands again. You guys remember these three things? Love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link.
Are they seeing it?
The lens, babe.
So push it down. Wait, I feel so retarded doing this right now. Come, take two. Gray screen and take two.
Alright guys, remember these three things. Love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link.
Alright.